my name is Laura from Lamplight Crochet. I'm glad you could join me today. We're going to be focusing on yet another project that is a part of my summer spa set. This is a bath puff, and it should be made out of 100% cotton yarn. 100% cotton yarn is a yarn that works best with water, so you need to get one skein and an H-hook in a 5mm, and this project is super fast. And right now would be a great time to click subscribe or like if you like this video. Okay, let me show you how to do this bath puff. Okay, we're now ready to make our bath puff. And remember, you must have 100% cotton yarn. I'm going to be demonstrating with Red Heart Super Saver. It is not a 100% cotton yarn, it is an acrylic yarn. But the reason why I'm doing that is because all of my 100% cotton yarn at this moment happens to be a dark color and it is hard to see. So I am using medium 4 weight with an H-hook, which is a 5mm. And the first thing we need to do is to place a slip knot on our hook. So we're going to do that now. And then we are going to tighten the ends and chain 25. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go to 25 and I'll meet you back there. Okay, after you have made your 25 chain, you need to join in the very first chain that you made with a slip stitch. That will be the loop to your bath puff. Okay, now we're going to work on the body. So we're not going to cut the yarn or anything. We're going to keep going. We're going to chain 5. As soon as you have 5 chained, go back to the very first one that you made in that little chain and connect with a slip stitch. Now we're going to be working down into the middle of this circle for our bath puff. Okay, so chain up 2. And then we're going to do 23 half double crochet inside of the main loop here. So let's do 23. You wrap around, put your hook down in, wrap around and pull through. You have 3 pieces on your hook, wrap around and pull through all 3 to make a half double crochet. Let's do that again. Go down into the main section, wrap around and pull through all 3. That's 2. This will be 3. And you need 23 of these. I will meet you back when you have 23. All right, we have completed 23 half double crochet around the ring that we just made, the chain 5 ring. Now we need to join into the first half double crochet stitch, not the chain 2, but the first half double crochet. And I want to place a stitch marker in there that I can see so that we know where the end of the row is easily by sight. So we're going to do a slip stitch over that. And now we're going to chain up 3. Now this next row, we are going to do 5 double crochet in each stitch around. So the way we do a double crochet is we wrap the yarn around the hook, go back down into the same place as your chain 3 is, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2 more. Now that is only 2. This counts as a stitch in this one. So we're going to do a third one. 3, 4, 5. All right, so there are 5 double crochet in the first stitch. Now we're going to make 5 in the next one, and we're going to do that all the way around. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go all the way around this row, and I'll meet you back at the beginning and I'll show you how to do one more row. It's going to be the same thing where we make 5 double crochet in every single stitch around, and that's when it's going to end up forming this really curly bath puff. Okay, we'll see you back at the beginning. Okay, we have just finished our first round of 5 double crochet in every single stitch. So we come back around to the beginning and we need to join with a slip stitch. So before doing that, we're going to pull out our marker. We're going to put it in the same space again where we ended. and place our hook in the top of the very first double crochet, and then we're going to join with a slip stitch. We're going to chain up 3. Then we'll repeat what we did the last row. And so we have this stitch marker so we can see where we actually end, because it's going to get really twisty. So let's begin with 4 more in that same first space. 4 more double crochet, because that first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. And then we'll just do 5 double crochet in every single stitch around, and I will meet you back at the beginning when you get there. Okay, I came around to the very end of the row and I joined with a slip stitch just like we did the previous row. I took my marker out and then I snipped the end and wove the end in. So you can see this, the handle here, and there's your bath puff, and we can add that to our summer spa set. And I thank you for joining me here at Lamplight Crochet. Please click subscribe and like if you liked this video, and feel free to share them with all of your crochet friends. We'll see you back here next time at Lamplight Crochet.